Welcome. In this video I will show you how to cast your Android phone's screen to your Samsung The Frame TV. So if you have a Samsung smartphone, all you have to do is make sure that your TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your smartphone. To do that, go to settings on your TV and in the quick settings bar navigate to the Wi-Fi. I think I missed it actually. Yeah, just check the name of your Wi-Fi and then check if the Wi-Fi on your smartphone is the same. And if it's the same, then basically all you have to do is on the same control panel on your smartphone, find the Smart View screen mirroring feature, tap on it, let your Samsung device detect your TV, and then tap on it on the list to connect to it, and tap Start Now, and then wait for your smartphone to connect to your TV. You will see the notification like this on your TV in the top right corner, and then you're probably gonna have to confirm, but I'm not really sure. Let's just wait. So if you're asked to confirm your connection, then of course do so. If your device didn't connect, you can retry. And then eventually it will work, and the screen of your smartphone will be casted to your TV. Now, of course, Samsung isn't the only brand of smartphones out there, so you may also have an Android device like this, for example, which is the Google Pixel 8, and unfortunately, it cannot natively connect to this smartphone or to this TV. So if you swipe down the control center and find the cast option, it will start searching for devices, and eventually will find no devices even being connected to the same Wi-Fi network as this TV. So what we can do in such case, we actually have several options, and the first one, which requires the least action, but it's also it will also provide you with a worse quality image, is using the web service. So on your TV, open your web browser by tapping www button, and then navigate to your path field and start searching for the website called webcast, and the URL address for it is webcast.AirDroid. Do not misspell it. It's not an Android. It's AirDroid. .com. Yeah. So as you can see on your screen already, let me just. No, there is an easier way. Okay, almost got it. I actually hate using Pilot for typing, but yeah. So just enter this website, and once you are here, yeah, they recommend using the latest version of Chrome or Edge, but we literally have no choice, unfortunately. Once you're here, download the same webcast application on your Android device. So I think my camera should focus. Okay, it's focused. Yeah, and now open the Play Store on your Android device and search for webcast application. Unfortunately, I cannot see it. Give me a moment. Sorry for the confusion. It's actually called AirDroid Cast. screen mirroring by Sense Studio. Open it on your smartphone, and then you can either use the code to share your screen, but I think it would be better if you tap the scan icon right here on your smartphone and just scan your TV screen with your smartphone's camera. And once you do that, you're gonna have to allow the connection on your TV by selecting allow option, and then tap share the screen on your phone. Then also you can give the permission for this website to use for this application to use your phone screen. And then in order to get rid of this bars at the top and everything, just navigate. Camera didn't focus for some reason. So navigate to this icon and tap OK, and this way you will have the full screen view of your smartphone. And now you can do anything you want on your smartphone, and it will be displayed on your to your TV with a small delay, small but not noticeable, as you can see for yourself. Well, maybe it would be better if I showed to you how it actually looks like. And yeah, you can see there is a delay. So what are the alternatives if your native cast application just doesn't cast your phone screen? So if your Android device isn't old or isn't like super budget device, it may also be able to use HDMI connection types, and in such case we're gonna need to create a set of connections to actually get our smartphone to stream to your TV, which is, well, maybe it is the most inconvenient, the weirdest thing that you could do to stream your device's screen, but yeah, it has its uses, so I totally understand, and I did that myself. So get an HDMI cable first, two-sided HDMI cable, or you can also get HDMI to USB Type-C, but I'd rather expect that you have just a regular HDMI cable for maybe your PlayStation. And then what you have to do is plug in this HDMI cable into your Samsung One Connect box, into the HDMI port that are located both on the back side of your Connect box. And then what you're gonna also need to have is a dock like this, which has a USB Type-C cable at the end, and the USB and the HDMI port on it. So just plug in the HDMI port into this adapter or into this dock, and then plug in this USB Type-C cable into your smartphone. And yeah, it will not work on all smartphones. Some smartphones do not support HDMI type connections, but actually on this, unexpectedly on this phone, it does work. So you want to see the notification on your phone to mirror your display, just tap mirror display or OK or agree. And then on your TV, go to the sidebar, go to the connected devices, find your HDMI that your phone is connected to, and now actually you can stream your phone screen with no delay. And if something is wrong with the size of your phone on your TV and you didn't see the entire phone screen, yeah, you can press the settings button on your remote, this one, and then press OK to open settings, then go to all settings, then go to picture, and then in picture size and settings, select standard or maybe custom if the standard is the problem. Fit to screen, set it to on, and yeah. Oh no, accidentally changed the source. And now everything works well. And yeah, it's actually seamless this way, but yeah, it's not very convenient to use this way. but that's the way you do that. And so that's, I think, all the ways that you can connect your Android smartphone to the frame TV. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.